Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 244th Networking B2B of Turnkey. As most of you know, we have 3 sessions. In the first hour, we make a round table. Everyone introduce himself or herself, make a specific request. Maybe somebody from the group can help you with your request. You can share your contact details in the chat box, LinkedIn profiles. In this second session, we have usually a presentation or webinar. Today, our speaker, Mr. Arman Nazaretyan, Project Sales Manager of ACT, which is Project Management Sales Office of Aquamatch. It is a global water treatment company. In the top 5 globally. They have done so many projects around the globe. He will talk more about this, their achievements. Davron, please post another reminder that we are starting. We have now 11 participation from 3 countries. I would like to take first floor shortly. My name is Rashid Kushkaya. I am the founder of Turnkey. We have started the journey in 2020 to create awareness about digital marketing and to provide a global business network to the SMEs, small and medium enterprises, so that they can find buyers, business partners in other countries. So far, we organized 244 hybrid events. We come together physically, face-to-face, once in a month. And if one of our exporters visit a country that we have agent, our agent, business partner, local partner, help this person in the ground. For example, Mr. Reza visited Togo last year, if I'm not mistaken. And Alef Lawson, our business partner for Togo, helped him with business development, organized meetings, even organized meeting with the Ministry of Health because they are in health tourism. So far, we have reached more than 40 countries. We have business partners, and we have more than 50 industries we are representing. This year's target to have 120 exclusive members. Exclusivity means we reserve this industry or country for you. So there is no competition within the network. There is support and collaboration, solidarity. My specific request is from everyone to bring on new exclusive members so that we can reach end of the year targets. So far, our turnover, business leads, we have given to each other $13.3 million. So it's approaching $14 million. This is my specific request from everyone to bring on one new member to the board. For example, Mr. Selçuk Engin invited Integrator. Integrator is industrial EPC contractor. They have become exclusive member like this. Thank you very much. I would like to give last floor to Mr. Arman, since he is the speaker. Before that, we are going to take a family photo. Mr. Davron is our family photographer, my assistant. Thank you very much, Davron, for your efforts, contribution. I want to give first floor to Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir, our senior.
Hello, everybody. Nice to see you all. So my name is Mehmet Gökdemir. I'm originally a textile engineer for almost 40 years. Now I am doing consultancy work for textile industry, recycle industry, and also doing project finance for investment. So anybody in these fields, as long as provided that for feasible projects, you can always get in touch with me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Mehmet. Can you please shortly mention your textile background?
Well, it's been a long time because I studied in textile engineering in the University of Manchester. And since then, I worked in mainly big companies within the first 100 big companies in Turkey. And of course, we set up all the organizations all over the world. And all the companies now, of course, textile is in a difficult situation in Turkey now. But it has been, now Egypt has become quite a hub for textile investors. But still, for technical textiles and other subjects, Turkey is still attracting some investment. But anybody, because textile is a very wide spectrum, it has a wide spectrum. So starting from fiber, yarn, and different fabrics, and also garment technology. So anybody who is thinking of any consultancy, we can always help them, not only for knowledge or know-how, but also for finance, as long as the projects are feasible. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Miss Merve, are you available to take second floor? Miss Merve Orkun. Miss Merve, are you on the phone? Miss Merve? I think she's on the phone. Mr. Rıza, take the second floor, please.
She wrote, I think, something into the chat.
Yes, she's on the phone, yeah. Mr. Rıza, go ahead.
Yeah. Hello, thank you, Mr. Rashid. I am Rıza Durdu, co-founder of Istanbul MedAssist. Istanbul MedAssist is an international medical tourism company. We are giving full package service to everyone who are interested to come Turkey for any medical or aesthetic treatment. And we are actually working in many different countries, but still there are some countries that we are not existing. We just want to expand our business network to expand our business. So we are looking for a new partners that mostly we are not existing or not so much, strong in the market. Thank you very much.
From where you get your passions and which markets you want to develop?
Actually, mostly we are being people from West Africa and Western countries like Europe, part of the Europe, let's say. Europe is so big, so 75 countries. Few of them we are a bit more active. And also US a little bit, a big, huge country. But still, East Africa, Latin America, other countries, we are not, so much there, let's say. Thank you.
Yeah, Musa can help you. I think Musa...
we had this morning conversation. They are already working with someone. The question is, if we find someone, they should directly work with us. Some of them already having some contacts.
Maybe he can change the contractor partner. Musa, unmute yourself and speak, please.
Hello, Jeff. I'm Musa from Mali. Mali is a French country, but I speak little by little English. So I have a company which made business connection between Mali businessmen and Turkish businessmen. And at the same time, I do also the medical tourism and student transfer. So yes, this morning I just have some conversation with Mr. Rıza. Actually, I'm working directly with the hospital but I think we can do some contracts. It will be easy for me to have some company in Turkey which can help me to assist my patients. We will talk about that. Thank you.
Yeah, Musa, thank you. It is great to meet you at Africa Forum in Istanbul.
Yes.
We need a solid partner who is going to be attend all our meeting persistent, like
Yes.
our brother Brand Matuki from Kenya, or Dare from Nigeria, or Ruby from Ghana. We are developing, we are helping actually Turkish suppliers to go global. So you are at the right place. We do
Thank you.
Africa Forum, not only Africa, we have people from all around the globe. So we want to have a representative from every metropolitan city in the future. So you are at the right place. And
Thank you.
also we have, I don't know which hospital group you are working, but difference of Istanbul Med Assist, they are not attached to a specific hospital group. So they are independent. They work with the best doctor in the field. So they receive the patient from the airport like one of their relatives. Their main purpose is to provide medical care, not the money. So his partner is a famous children cardiologist. So I recommend to try the service.
Yes, of
And, also in education, we have United Education. I can link you with Mr. Wasim and Ayman. They do study in Turkey exhibitions around in the Arab countries. It is called EDIS. They bring to Turkey around 3,000 graduates, university students, and postgraduate every year. So it's a big number. They are the number one in the industry. I can affiliate you with this organization. It is your first time in our meeting. Thank you very much for coming today, and good to know you.
welcome.
Please, follow our meetings, and by the time you will catch more business opportunities. It is working two ways. Like in the sample of Ghana, for example, Mr. Emmanuel is a commercial advisor of Ghanaian president. Sometimes he requests a machine, sometimes furniture, sometimes medical care. His latest project was a tractor assembly line in Accra, in Ghana. So he is working on that. So we can reply all of your demands and projects, and you can benefit from all these trade and tourism. Thank you very much for joining today, Musa.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you. Thank you too.
All right. Miss Merve Orkun, are you available now? Merve Orkun?
Hi, how are you, everyone?
Good.
I'm available for 10 minutes, then I have another meeting, actually. I didn't want to miss, and I wanted to see your faces. This is Merve from Istanbul. We are an accounting office. We support foreign companies and local companies about tax, accounting, and related subjects. We support with establishing companies and bookkeeping and all the related processes. We also started to give service for finance side, especially financial consultancy and reporting. At the moment, we have around 150 customers, and we are a team of 11, working in detail with bookkeeping. Our goal is to give monthly trial balance and other cash flow files to our customers, especially foreign customers from United States and Europe. So if anyone has any questions about company establishment or tax or any other matters related to these, they can contact me.
Thank you, Ms. Merve. If you don't need to attend physically this meeting, you can be a listener because Aquamatch is not far from you. You are neighbors, actually. You can visit each other, and I am sure you will be good friends with Ms. Nihal, the company partner. Mr. Arman, their office in Aksaray. What was the famous mosque near to you? We
Bizim
can
mi?
say, yeah, Aksaray Station.
Ben
Yeah,
Muratpaşa'dayım. Muratpaşa'da Aksaray söyleyiniz mi? Aksaray metro durağının karşısındayım. Çok
evet, evet.
merkezdeyim
Orada,
yani. Göbeğindeyim Aksaray'ın.
evet, orada bir cami de vardı. Meşhur bir cami size yakın.
Şeyi söylüyorsunuz. Evet, valide. Evet, en sevdiğim
Kavşak'ta.
cam. Evet, evet.
Yani birbirinizi bence ziyaret edin. Nihal Hanım'la da iyi arkadaş olacağınızı düşünüyorum.
Tamamdır.
Onların da çünkü global projeler, kontratlar yapıyorlar. Yani finansal servise İngilizce ihtiyaçları olabilir. Thank you. Moving on. Mr. Dare, welcome. Good to see you after a long time. After introducing yourself, can you also shortly talk about business opportunities that Turnkey provided to you? How was your journey so far? Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Mr. President. It's afternoon here in Nigeria. Good afternoon, everybody. Good to be home. I mean, I call Turnkey home for me. Turnkey has been very instrumental to my journey. I think I joined sometime around COVID period, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful business opportunity and platform for me. Turnkey has actually helped me spread my business network. So today I say to anybody, just give me 28, 48 hours if you're looking for anything, because I know I can get that in Turnkey. And it's been a great journey. At the moment, I'm talking, there's Walid. Walid is one of the members, is based in Dubai. And Walid got me in touch with another guy in Dubai. And at the moment, we're talking about $10 million funding for one of our projects. You understand? So we're doing that. As I'm talking right now, I'm talking to Aleph. Aleph is based in Togo. We're trying to do some solar projects in Togo as well. So it's been a very amazing journey for me in Turnkey. And I just want to encourage everybody that if you're looking for a business forum to belong to and is a transparent one, this is the place you should be. And let's see what we can do together. Sorry, I forgot. I'm based in Nigeria. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. So if there's anybody wanting to do business here in Nigeria, please kindly reach out to me. We're here to support you. Nigeria is the largest economy in Africa. So it's a place I encourage every business person to come be a part of. And we know the market. I mean, I've been in the market and I know how the market works. And so let's talk together and let's work together and see what we can do. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Dare. I was interior design contractor before. So when I reached Lagos, Dare has received me from the airport. He has taken me local contractors. We have done some projects thanks to Dare. I introduced him also some big businessmen, big bosses. So it was in the COVID time. He even helped us booking in and COVID tests, etc. So this is how we support each other. We become like a family. So don't walk alone. If you need support in other countries, you cannot discover the country, the whole market in just with a few days visit. So you need a local business partner. So we share the profit with these business partners. If anything happens, we don't mind to share the profit. So this is how it works, basically. Thank you, Dare, for your support. I want to see you more often. Please don't miss any meetings. Nigeria is a very important meeting. Also, Mr. Akın was here 2 months ago, Nigerian lawyer. We organized a meeting. He was the guest of honor. So when you visit also Turkey, we will be your operation hand. All right, moving on. Brandon from Kenya, go ahead, please.
Hello, everyone again. I hope everyone is fine. My name is Brandon Matuki, and I'm from Kenya. I also represent the Global Chamber as the global advisor for this region. It's a pleasure to meet everyone. I joined recently, and we are making steady progress. Just a quick update. There will be an event in Nairobi in May 2026. That anybody who wants to, if you want a booth to present your products or to market yourself, that is the place to be. Mark your calendars. I already shared with the Turkey group. Please be there.
It is about construction, right, Brandon?
Yes. And then what I'm sharing is it's new, so there are opportunities to book booths where to present for exhibition purposes. So this is the right moment for you to check in. And if you like to come to Kenya and exhibit your products or services, but this is the right time for you to jump in and get a slot early enough. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can also introduce yourself, Global Chamber and Turnkey business partner. We consider you in the team already from Kenya. Brandon, thank you very much. Integrator Korhan, go ahead.
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Korhan, and I am here for today. Integrator Limited Company. We are basically an EPC company, which stands for Engineering, Procurement, and Construction. We have been managing turnkey projects from engineering to installation. Over the past 5 years, especially in Turkey, we have successfully delivered multiple projects and currently operates branches in both United Kingdom and UAE. Our core focus is on projects within the energy sector. In addition to EPC services, we also have been providing consultancy, especially in United Kingdom. And we have been carrying out all our work with a strong commitment to sustainability. So yeah, that's it. And if you would like to contact with us, I will share our websites and an email on the chat.
I just shared your contact detail. Mr. Murat Tiryaki, he lives in UK. Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir, this is important for you. They work on energy productivity projects, energy saving projects, yes. Cooling, heating, and there are a lot of projects around the globe. And you can provide finance. You can provide finance for these projects. Please make one-on-one with Mr. Murat Tiryaki. I shared his phone number with you. He lives in UK. His wife from Morocco. They have French-speaking staff also. You can do a lot of projects in Algeria. You have an Algerian background in Morocco, in Tunisia. And they, from design to installation, they carry out the whole process. They are EPC, industrial EPC contractor. So please go ahead and let us know what happens about the feedback. Thank you, Korhan. Moving on, we have some more newcomers today. I will give you floor. taking turns. Mr. Erkan, go ahead, introduce yourself.
Of course, my name is Erkan Şanlıoğlu. I am part of the customer representative team of BRN Sleep Products. Our company is located in Kayseri, and what we are doing is we are producing mattresses. We are exporting to more than 35 different countries worldwide, which makes us the biggest mattress exporter in Turkey. Yes, and we have experience nearly since 25 years. And what makes us also strong is that we are more focused on private labeling, which means that if our customers send us their specifications, we can produce like their wishes. For example, if they send their logos and what they want into the mattress from the material, we can produce everything. Yes, and we are also pioneers of the so-called roll pack system, which means that the mattresses can be pressed and rolled, which gives more space for the containers. We can send much more than the normal
So
way.
one 40-feet container take about 240 mattresses, right? King size.
Exactly, and with the roll pack system, we can nearly double it more,
Yes.
more
Thank you,
than
Erkan. You are also very active in the group. Mr. Ömer was busy. I know
Yeah.
your boss, Miss Berna.
Mhm.
She's one of the most successful businesswomen in Turkey. She used to be a football club president and
Yeah.
owner of the biggest mattress factory in Turkey. I know her from DEIK. When I invited them to our group, she said business networks, business associations, good for socializing, dinner, etc. But that doesn't create result. But after 2 months, they received a big project from Ghana, hotel renovation project through Turnkey. Probably second project is on the way. Have you received the second order from Emmanuel?
I have not this information. I think Mr. Ömer is in contact with him.
Okay.
But I will.
Probably you received.
Okay.
So there is a lot of hotel projects going on in our network. So she personally thanked me, and they have also given their stand building job, the stand construction at the exhibition to our stand building contractor, Reklamarka. Thank you
Okay.
very much. Also, we look all forward to see you in furniture exhibition in mid-January.
Yes, we will be there, hopefully, yes. And I also will share my email address and
Yes, there is this big furniture event on mid-January. Turkey is very strong in furniture export. Our export is around $6 billion. So if you want to visit, you can ask invitation from either medical Istanbul Medasis, Mr. Reza can help you, including medical checkup, or Mr. Erkan can send you invitation to visit furniture fair. This is a big event. If you arrive, we can organize a B2B meeting, making you as a guest of honor speaker. Miss Ruby is planning to join. Miss Ruby, go ahead, please.
Hello, everyone. Great to see you all. So I'm one of your business developer for Ghana. I provide market entry support services that can be tailored to suit your specific needs. So we cover all sectors. So reach out if you are interested in exploring Ghana with your product or services. It's always great to connect with you guys every Wednesday. And so that's it for me. I'm looking for opportunities. So let's talk if you want us to have a project together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruby. Ruby is a seasoned business developer. She used to work for British Embassy. She is a director of Global Chamber, global market entry consultant, also Turnkey business partner. If you want to enter Ghana, she is the right person. When I was interior contractor, she provided the same service to me. From airport to airport, we have visited all the interior designers, hotel projects, etc. Thank you very much, Ruby, for your persistence. I move on. Miss Farana, can you speak if we are not risking your safety, driving safety? Turn on your voice, please. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for this platform. I am not driving. I am just a passenger in the car, so I will
Okay.
speak. Thank
So
you
you are
very much for
from
this platform.
you
I'm
are
from
from
South Africa.
South Africa. You know Miss Ruby, right? From Global Chamber.
Yes, I do. I see some of our people from Global Chamber are here, and it's quite
Yeah,
comforting. So,
Brandon also here. Yeah, we need somebody from South Africa. It's very important market for us, and
absolutely.
it is the most advanced economy in Africa. So we needed business partners. So I think you are the right person for this job. Please go ahead, Farana. Tell us about your background, how you can help Turkish exporter to enter your market, and how you can help how you can build business with other countries. You can do also cross-country business development with other countries as well. Go ahead, please.
Thank you so much for this platform. And I know I messaged you a few minutes ago before this, just to thank you for actually reaching out to me, because what I've found in the events page is that there are so many things, that so many industries and businesses that in South Africa we do need to reach out to. So just to give you a background of myself, I am Farana Juma. I am a South African and from a city called Durban, part of the Global Chamber in the USA. I'm also part of what is called the Global Business Women's Chamber of Commerce and Industry in South Africa. It is a chamber which is tailored to women, but we also have men. So our focus is in that chamber is to assist women in business to scale and to mentor and grow businesses. Personally, I am involved in strategic planning and management and mentorship in business. I've taken the leap into the Global Chamber because I wanted to expand my footprint. And now I'm here with you, Rashid, and I'm very happy to do that. What I would like to see is strategic alliances with all of your members and those in the Global Chamber so that we can do cross-border trading as well as business, from business to business and company to company, as it were. So that's where we are in all industries, because although my primary industry is in the spices and textile, I also right now have migrated towards minerals, but I'm very new in that, so I'm still developing a supplier basis for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Farana. You noticed the value of the turnkey. During the pandemic time, all the classical ways are failed. Only digital marketing and network marketing survived. So we built this consortium to help investors, buyers, business developers around the globe with suppliers from different industries and contractors from different industries. As you understood correctly, we can meet all your project demands, product demands within Turkey or from nearby countries. So we are linking the demand and the supply. Basically, we are matchmaking. So this is our success. So how strong is the matchmaking? You have a possibility to get the business. So we are very result oriented and to the point. More than webinars and socializing, we are focused on solid projects. For example, Mr. Dare has a water treatment project from Nigeria. It's a big project, and there you go. We have one of the biggest water treatment contractor from Turkey. So probably they are gonna be one of the bidders, and if they win or not, but we make the attempts. We will keep trying. Thank you very much, Farhana. Look forward to seeing you.
Thank you. I would just like to add something. I'm currently signing a MOU with all the royal families in South Africa. So
Very
that,
good.
and part of the project is for us to redevelop the rural areas and the homelands. Because as you know, a lot of the lands are stuck between government and the kingdoms and the royal families. So I will be joining them in a strategic action to develop those areas. I'm coming as a strategic partner, and we hope to find many service providers, and that is why I've taken more interest in getting into these platforms so that I can assess what is available and we can recommend them. So maybe you might not get business from me now, but I am scouting. Just know that.
Yeah, Farhana,
Thank you.
we have patience. It takes time to develop business and to build trust. So first we should be visible and then build relation, trust, and then earn income. This is the process, steps. For example, last week's speaker was a cheap housing solution provider, prefab and light steel. We have also concrete housing contractors. All is available in Turkey. Turkey is like small China. We provide all, but with European quality. Quality is much better. Prices are slightly higher, but when you consider logistic, transit time, and transport cost, it is nearly the same when you consider the landed cost. Thank you very much, Ms.
Yes.
Farhana.
Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you in the future meetings. We have some more newcomers. Mr. Chad Richardson. He told me, he made me excited about his multiverse project. What we are doing digitally now and physically. He has a metaverse project of about matchmaking and linking people in virtual dimensions using their own currency. It is a business metaverse, we can call. Chad, please shortly introduce yourself and your project. You grab my attention. Go ahead, please.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks for having me here. It's sorry I'm a little late. I was up late last night, but yeah, we have a 3D collaboration a software that's used to be able to see the whole ecosystem and to be able to identify similarities between stakeholders and show that visually. So a good collaboration with it would be everyone on this call will figure out what you can do and then map all the different stakeholders, map all the different collaborations, and then it kind of keeps it like not just a place and time, but a running collaboration. So if you came on this meeting and you got connected to 2 different people, 3 different people, we can showcase that. And then maybe over the next 5 meetings, you get more connected to more people. The software is able to show you that. And then with the currency behind it, it's built on blockchain technology. So you get rewarded with stablecoin. And that's what we're kind of behind right now is the USDTs and the USDCs coming out in the USA and globally as well. So thank you.
Yeah, Richard, Chad, it is really exciting. This was my vision, actually. I was consultant of business developer of a metaverse technology company based on Unreal Engine. They were developing twin cities, and they were realizing 3D dimension visualization of construction projects. And yeah, this is the future: blockchain, AI, and 3D. Once the pandemic is over, metaverse is gone down, lost popularity, but blockchain and AI still continue. And new viruses can come up, and we can be locked up again. So we should have a B plan. As you explained to me before, you have a supercomputer. You do this matchmaking and mapping with supercomputer AI. This is the future, and we can utilize the stable coins to reward our members. And in the future, transactions, business, export, import will be much more easier. Without paperwork, paperless, based on blockchain technology. It will take time. Maybe our generation will not see it, but next generation, for sure, there will be no paper and paper money circulating. So it will be all digital. It is good to have you on the team, and we can, I am sure, develop a lot of projects together. Turnkey
Thank you.
can be a universe, a planet in your universe. Definitely, we can do the mapping of our members. We do it real human intelligence at the moment, but why not? Maybe you can bring more business opportunities, create more business opportunities. It's all about the right matchmaking. Higher is the percentage of matchmaking, higher is the possibility to get the business deal. So, thank you. Moving on.
Thank you.
Charles, another newcomer. Charles, unmute yourself. Go ahead, please.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, Charles.
Hello. I'm talking all the way from Cameroon, and I'm the manager of Kumba Foods and Services South. What we deal
How
with
is your
is,
last name, Charles?
yeah, Charles.
Last name.
Oh, Elango.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm the manager of Kumba Foods and Services South. And what we deal with, I'm just going to be very brief. We deal with agro production.
You visited also Tabef, right? This is how we connected. Africa
Oh, okay.
Forum.
Yeah. Kumba Foods and Services South. Yeah, that's the name of my company. And I'm holding them.
You export Cameroonian agri products or what?
Yeah, agro production, and we do processing, marketing, and general trade.
So I have someone in the network. Please text me. 4K food wholesaler from Turkey. What they do? You make a list of FMCG. You go
Okay.
to you go to your local market chain, and request what they need, and you send this list to Erkan 4K Global,
Okay.
and they make a full container for you, and with minimum margin like 3%. And
Okay.
they send the whole container, including all kind of food and detergent, cleaning, hygiene products, what the market needs and available in Turkey. So
Okay.
through Turnkey, they made 2 export, one to Mauritania, one to Belgium. So Turkish quality is very good. Also, you can promote your products to Erkan to market your agri products. I don't know
Okay.
what you are producing in Cameroon. Coffee, cocoa, shea
Now,
butter.
we are into, when we talk of agro production, we are talking about food production, like snails. We deal with fishery and so on and so forth.
Oh, okay. We can say seafood.
Yeah, seafoods in general.
Okay. Also, there is someone, please, I can link you from
Okay.
Mauritania, Mr. Zain El
Yeah,
Abidin. He
I'll be
does,
glad to.
you know him?
No, I said I'll be glad to.
Yes, he's in the fishing industry in Mauritania. He exported a lot of shipping boats to Mauritania. They have like 100 kinds of ocean fishes,
Okay.
but they use very primitive methods for fishing. So he was also building some fish farms, etc., in Mauritania in the ocean. So I can link you guys. He's also trader. He has very good business in Mauritania. Thank you, Charles.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
I have to move on a little bit quickly because the time of presentation is approaching. Who is left there hasn't spoken. I think everybody spoken. Davron? Mr. Davron is...
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, Ihsan Shantuna. We didn't give floor to Ihsan. Ihsan, go ahead. After Ihsan, Davron, get ready for family photo. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Ihsan, please go ahead. One of the founding members, old friend.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Ihsan.
Thank you, Mr. President. My name is Ihsan. I am sales manager of Yıldız Yapı in English, Yıldız Construction Company. We do fit out interior constructions actually. Also, in my specialty is movable partition wall systems and partition wall systems for producing and etc. For all. And also at the new brand, we are producing speaking pots for all the offices. It's a new brand. I will show it later if I have the chance for introduce this. In the future, I will be sending to see what we are doing. Thank you for today. Now we are waiting our next speaker. Also, I want to say for Mr. Dares, I think she's passed away.
No, it's Emmanuel. It's
Oh,
Emmanuel.
I'm sorry. It's my
Emmanuel's mother passed away. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry.
Ihsan is a office separator system contractor. Ihsan, I will give you the contact number of Miss Zuhra.
Okay.
Miss Zuhra represent Narbutas Furniture. They received a $300,000 project with our support. It's a new brand. It's a new brand.
Okay.
It is one of the strongest office furniture brand in Europe. Actually, she represents the brand in Kazakhstan, Tashkent, Uzbekistan, and Turkey. They are looking for a showroom and shared office contract. They want to furnish the shared office so that they can present their furniture, and they can also use this office as a working office. So it's a good idea. I am working on Istanbul office with Miss Nuh Köse.
Okay.
I can also give his contact. He is opening shared offices. He has already six in Istanbul, opening more.
Maybe we can make a contact with him and
invite me
talk.
after the meeting. I will give you
Thank
these
you.
two contacts that you
Very
can
nice.
develop business. Maybe you can convince your bosses
Yeah,
to join Turnkey because fit out is important. We have the mob, for example. They do cafe, restaurant, and hotel rooms together with BRN supplying mattresses.
Okay.
And sleeping products. So you can also collaborate with Erkan here.
Yeah.
And you can, the company origin from Holland, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen something like this in your LinkedIn profile.
No. It's from Istanbul, Turkish.
Okay, maybe you can.
The pots is from the Netherlands origin. It is separated companies.
Phone booths.
Yes, it is phone booths.
Okay, so
but
you
a
can
different,
maybe.
but a different uses. I will explain it, Mr. President.
Okay, I understand the idea. I've seen similar. Also, Narbutas has this solution for meeting in an office. If you want isolated room, silent room, you can work. It's like a cell. You can maybe convince your bosses to join Turnkey, Mr. Shantuna.
Yeah, thank you.
To
I will do
continue.
that.
Yeah, Mr. Davron, introduce yourself and ask everyone turn on cameras and count down from 5 to 0 for family photo. Please, everyone, we have big participation today, around 20 from 10 countries so far. Very good. Integrator, Ms. Farai. Musa, camera, please. Family photo.
Mr. Musa.
Musa Kolibali, we used to have a footballer, Kolibali. I don't remember which team he played, but we had a Malian footballer, Kolibali. Mr. Ihsan, do you remember this footballer?
I am, and he has. I think he had some issues with police, something in these times.
Kolibali.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, please smile. Go ahead, Dav.
Let me count, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Thank you.
I think best smiler of the week is Miss Merve Orkun. Introduce yourself, Davron, and then we start as we promised at 5 o'clock exactly sharp to the webinar. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Mr. President. Hello, everybody. My name is Davron. I joined Turnkey as a business developer from Uzbekistan. Also, I had experience in working in a number of Turkish companies, exporting luxury house furnitures and HoReCa equipments. Right now, I'm in South Korea. I get a job responsible for exporting South Korean cosmetics and handling operations. So whenever you need some interest in Korean cosmetics, I can help you. Thank you very much.
Yes, also please, Davron is taking pictures during the presentation, putting them together, editing and making a short video. I posted on our channel, WhatsApp, Telegram channels and social media. Also, please circulate these clips to make Turnkey gain more members. We need your support for social media publication and popularity. That I attended Turnkey meeting today, sharing the video, and don't forget to tag us, please.
Sure.
Davron, Mr. Arman, are you ready? You can start screen sharing.
Yes, I'm ready and I'm starting to share.
Go ahead, please. The floor is yours. You keep the question to the last 10 minutes, please. After Mr. Arman's presentation, We will ask him questions and make closing remarks. Go ahead, Mr. Arman.
Okay, is the screen started to be shared?
No, you didn't. You didn't press share screen.
In fact, yeah.
Yes, it is coming up now.
Yep.
Yes, make it full screen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Okay, everybody, welcome to Aquamatch presentation that I'm going to do today. My name is Arman Nazaretyan. I'm a mechanical engineer since 37 years. And the last 8 years was with, the last 8 years was with Aquamatch, where I am designated as the international sales executive. Aquamatch is the leading global contracting company from Turkey, specialized in water and wastewater treatment. And we were established in 1989. Therefore, that means some over 35 years of expertise in water treatment. Why we are doing water treatment? Maybe it can be understood with these key statistics. During the 20th century, the water demand on Earth has risen 600%, and today we have an average yearly increase in the demand of 1.8% for each year. And globally, every day, 4,600 kilometer cubed, that is 4.6 million times millions of tons of water are used around the globe. Just to imagine it, you can say that 1 kilometers of water body can be put on all Istanbul. That is the amount of water that is demanded on Earth. And 70% of this demand is used for agricultural purposes, 20% of it for industrial demands, 3/4 in energy and 1/4 in manufacturing, and only 10% is used for domestic purposes. As you may guess, it's a huge demand. Until recently, Mother Nature could provide the water requested through its natural hydrological cycle, which we all know from our school days: evaporation, collection of accumulation of clouds, precipitation of rain and snow, and then going through soil again, completing this cycle. This cycle is no more sufficient, and therefore water treatment becomes a must for the world. What is water treatment? Water treatment is the process of removal of physical, chemical, and biological contaminants from water, and to provide water that meets required quality and suitable to use. Water treatment systems covers the filtration, softening, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, seawater and brackish water reverse osmosis, electrodeionization, mixed bed deionization, ozonation, UV charging, chloration for disinfection purposes, mineral dosing for, again, obtaining potable water, but also gray water treatment, which means wastewater treatment which is not contaminated by human waste, rainwater recycling, that is collecting of the rainwater of a region and recycle it for different purposes, and the wastewater recycling of industrial processes. And we can do this for units that are installed under shelter or in containerized systems, depending on the situation. Who are the possible clients for these systems? These are petrochemical plants, refineries, power plants, different industries covering metallurgy, textile, paper, plastics, food and drink, fertilizer, etc. Domestic users are also available for hotels, spa centers, leisure centers, schools, hospitals, different sizes of residential sites. Also for agricultural uses as nurseries, farms, and fields. Municipalities ask for potable water. And as I said before, industrial wastewater is also recycled on several occasions. Aquamatch, my company, is almost present everywhere on Earth, as you can see on this map, on Asia, Central, South, East, Southeast, Middle East, in Africa, Northwest, East, and South, in Europe, in Ireland, Poland, Hungary, Romania, Serbia, Montenegro, in Malta, which I will visit tomorrow, for instance, and even in Americas. As a result of this activity, we are within the top 20 desalination system providers around the world. We started at the 18th rank in 2019. We climbed to the 15th position in 2020, despite the COVID. Then we climbed again to 12th position in 2022. And on the last ranking, we were placed at the 11th position in 2023. We hope to keep this position in the future as well. We are also having a strong presence in Turkey. Our headquarters and my office ACT is located in Istanbul. Our factory is located in Aydın next to Izmir. But as you may see on this map, there are several different offices that are distributed around Turkey close to end users. Our business model is a simple three-shaped, three-cornered shape. On the top, we have the Denizsu and Mempa companies that provides the unified management of the group under the brand of Aquamatch. Our factory that I mentioned, that is in Aydın, that supplies the detail engineering works, production, test and quality control of the products, and offices like mine, ACT, that provide, project management, sales management, supervision of installation of systems, but also commissioning and after-sales services. These services are only possible with the help of over 300 staff of Aquamatch, and you may guess from this picture that more than 50% of this staff are women, and they are proudly presenting Aquamatch on different top managerial positions as well, as a general manager, technical manager, etc. But also in technical positions like environmental engineers, mechanical engineers, chemical engineers, electrical and electronic engineers, and automation technicians. And my office ACT, you may see our members. We are supplying direct communication to our customer, which is a more flexible project development model, and we establish strong client relationship with major Turkish construction firms, international customers around the world, and also with local industrial partners. And our services starts from the very beginning and doesn't end while commissioning, and continue, and so therefore continues with after-sales services as well. Our office management model is based on a lean management model, where all project design, international sales, domestic sales, supervision, installation and commissioning services, after-sales services, and accounting and administrative affairs are directly linked to the general manager via our project manager, Ms. Nihal, that Mr. Rashid had already mentioned. On the other side, as I mentioned, we have the factory in Aydın province, situated on a 30,000 square meter terrain, of which 20,000 square meter is covered for production and operational spaces. we perform our works complying the management systems ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 10002, and ISO 45001 management systems. Our project evaluation system is very simple. We start with the project assessment. That means we collect all the necessary data for that particular project, the quality of the water that we will treat, the quality of the water that we will provide, the quantity, and if there are any particular customer demands. Then with all this data, we do the engineering works and we determine the appropriate process and equipment, and we do the necessary engineering works from which we come up with a result of quotation with technical and commercial terms. We negotiate these terms with our customers, and once we are agreed on, we pass to the next phase, which is production and the delivery of the systems. In the production, we manufacture, assemble, make the necessary quality control and tests in our factory, and then deliver the system to the customer. And on the side of the customer, we deliver, we supply the services of supervision for different parts of the work. We provide the system setup and tuning, the test running, the required staff training. Then after the commissioning, we hand over the system to the customer. And with the handing over the system to the customer, the last phase of the services starts, which is the after-sales services that covers the maintenance and repair support, the supply of consumables and spare parts from that on. Up to now, I was showing details from our kitchen. Now that the meal is cooked, let's give some examples from the plates that are cooked. But please note that I may be able to only show you a small fraction, a tiny fraction of our examples, because we may talk of more than 2,000 projects around the world, which is not possible to show all of them. I just tried to choose some examples that gives you an idea about our expertise on different geographies, different industries, and different capacities. Let's start with an interesting one from Indonesia that was commissioned in 2023. Here we are providing product water over to 21,000 cubic meters per day. But interestingly enough, this is not the main objective of this project. This project is designed mainly to produce table salt, food-grade table salt, and the desalinated water was the byproduct. Here we produce some 630 tons a day table salt, and as a byproduct, we provide also some over 21,000 cubic meters daily usable water. The system is installed in Bali Island in Indonesia. The next example is from Nakhchivan. Nakhchivan, for those who doesn't know, is an autonomous republic that borders Turkey on the east. And we are providing, since 2013, a system of 40,800 cubic meters a day well water nanofiltration system for Nakhchivan based on its main 5 rayons. The next example is from Basra, Iraq. We are providing a 72,000 cubic meters per day capacity desalination plant, which happens to be the largest desalination plant that Aquamatch has already manufactured and installed. And we provide potable water to some 200,000 people in Basra region, South Iraq. These are some photos taken from the site. Another example is from Turkey, from the Afşa Island. It is on the Marmara Sea, at a 3-hour distance from Istanbul, where we provide desalinated water from the Marmara Sea with a capacity of 10,000 cubic meters each day for the residents of the island. On this picture, you may see some photographs. On the top left, the water intake structures. On the top right, the water treatment plant. And at the bottom, a 3D model of the water treatment plant. And as you may notice, there is empty space left for possible future expansions. From potable water sector, we shift to the industrial wastewater recovery with Tüpraş, İzmir refinery, with a two-phase project, which started in 29 with its first phase, where over 32,000 cubic meters a day water was produced and supplied to the factory boiler system. In this particular project, we used the municipal wastewater of İzmit city and the refinery wastewater, and we recovered more than 11,000 cubic meters water on the first phase for the refinery, and on the second phase we added some 20,880 cubic meters per day capacity to the first phase on 2016. Another example is from Pakistan, Karachi, which happens to be the first desalination project in Pakistan. We deliberately put this example to show our presence in Pakistan, which is quite strong, despite its modest capacity. Another example is from another continent, this time from North Africa, in Algeria, for a urea and ammonium plant, Sorfert, which is the largest ammonium and urea manufacturer of Algeria. For them, we produced a system of 100 cubic meters a day capacity desalinated water that is used for the process of the plant. For this particular project, we also supplied the civil engineering services through a sister company, and Sorfert took the charge of constructing the plant. Here you may see first on the left the foundation of the building, and on the right the completed building, and the system is installed, commissioned, and still on work since 2021. The next example is from another sector, again from power generation for Eren Energy. This is the largest industrial desalination and demineralization plant in Turkey. This power plant produces 1,360 megawatt of thermal power plant, and the capacity installed for this factory is 43,200 cubic meters a day desalinated water. You may see some pictures again taken from this plant. And the system was expanded with the second phase in 2014. And again, the capacity expanded, as I say, with an additional 10,000, almost 9,600 cubic meters per day. Again, another example from another industry, this time Çolakoğlu, which is the largest steel mill in Turkey. And the system installed was the oldest industrial desalination plant for an industry in Turkey. Here, our capacity after this reverse osmosis, which is some 14,400 cubic meters daily. And before testing your patient, I'm come to the last example from a totally different sector. Aquamatch is the solution partner for both Coca-Cola and Pepsi-Cola companies around the world. And on this example, we chose our our example from Casablanca, Morocco, with a 80 cubic meters per hour capacity. And the system is running since 2013 in Casablanca. On the last slide, you may see a view of the factory of Casablanca Coca-Cola on the left, and on the right, you may see Mr. Tevfik, the utilities manager, and me at the gate of the factory during one of my visits to Morocco. In the meantime, I need to correct a mistake that I made for Sorfert. I'm quickly coming back. And I have to say that mistakenly I wrote 100 cubic meters per day, which should be 100 cubic meters per hour. That is a significant change. I'm sorry for this error that I made, but I think that everybody got the idea about the capacities that I mentioned. So I thank everybody for his patience and his kind attention. And now I leave back the floor to Mr. Rashid for his moderation for possible questions and other proposals. Thank you, Mr. Rashid.
Thank you, Mr. Arman, for informative presentation. Those who have questions, please raise your hand. There is a tool for this purpose on the right corner. Raise hand, raise finger. So, Dare, go ahead, please.
Amen for the presentation. So I have a question. One of the presentations, you actually said you can make table water out of seawater. Am I correct?
Drinkable water, you mean, yes?
No, table water. I'm sorry, table salt, rather, table salt.
Yeah, this is a unique example in Indonesia. Yes, in this particular project, the main purpose was to produce salt. Normally when you make desalination
from the seawater.
Yes, exactly. You know, the seawater, particularly when it is highly concentrated with salt in hot climates, contains lots of salt, and normally water treatment deals with desalinate the water and to obtain drinkable water. But on this particular project, we collect the salt. I mean, the brine water that is very rich with salt, and then this salt is extracted and produced as a table salt. That is correct.
So that means on that project, you put the water and salt.
Sorry, can you repeat, because the voice was not good.
So what that means on that project, you can sell both water and salt for the public. Is that what it means?
Yes, yes, that's correct.
Because there's salt water all over Africa and there's no salt. I mean, we're not making salt out of them.
Theoretically speaking, yes, it is possible, but it should be commercially sound as well. Therefore, our specialists must consider if this salt content in that water is good enough to install, to invest in for this system. But theoretically speaking, yes, it is possible.
Okay, estimated budget for that project, how much was it estimated? Do you have an idea?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Do you have an estimated cost for that project?
No, I'm sorry. This was a headquarter project that was done. I only know some technical details, but if you are interested, we can gladly
I recommend
connect and discuss, because there are lots of parameters that need to be that needs to be discussed.
Yeah, you can do one-on-one that later.
Sure. Yes.
Any other questions? Raise hand.
Thank you.
Mr. Arman, can you mention ongoing projects? Where do you have projects running now? You said Montenegro. Miss Suhal, you remember Miss Suhal? She's her husband doing some construction projects in Macedonia.
Yes. In fact, we have an ongoing project in Montenegro, and Tuba is particularly interested in this project. It's an hotel project on a region next to Tivat city in Montenegro. But it is available. For instance, I am going to Malta tomorrow for another project that will recently start. The project is awarded to the consortium that we belong. It's an EPC project which contains also some construction, some wastewater, and then reverse osmosis phases. We will make some site visits and see the opportunities. But as I say, we have different colleagues that are active in different regions. For instance, today I was aware that a project was discussed for Tanzania. Maybe next time we meet, the map will be colored for Tanzania as well. I don't know any for Kenya, but anywhere on earth that water is precious, water treatment is a solution. Therefore, we can find an opportunity to collaborate anywhere on earth, but particularly on African countries such as Cote d'Ivoire or Mali or Mauritania, Algeria, Congo, Benin, you name it. Even South Africa is within our targets. Unfortunately, for the time being, we don't have any installation that is running in South Africa, but we know that particularly in the unfortunately, I forgot the name of the city, which is Cape Town, has a huge water scarcity, and there will be a good opportunity there. I have difficulty to name any country because there are lots of them. In Asia, Uzbekistan, in Turkmenistan, as I said, in the Eastern Africa as well. So to name a specific country will be very difficult for the moment, but if you ask any country, most probably I will say that we are present, or we are trying to be present there.
Brandon, go ahead.
Sorry, I must have missed most of your presentation, but I'm back. I had to dash off to another training session. But I just wanted to point out that I was interested in joining, especially your focus on water treatment solutions. I know of projects, for example, in Kenya here we have salt extraction in the coastal area. One company called Ken Salt is produces salt here at the Indian Ocean. And also the real estate sector, as is booming, there is also the angle where we use the salt water for treatment and to facilitate home use in most of these real estate zones, especially in the SEZ that are coming up. So I see opportunity for you in that area. I will check around, and then if I come with any opportunities, Rashid, I will reach out to you in the course of the week.
Okay, we will be glad to have the opportunity to discuss anything that you bring on the table. We will discuss technically and commercially, and to find any solution. We will be glad to do this. You're welcome anyway.
Yeah, Farhana, go ahead,
if I might ask, let me ask, do you focus only on seawater, or do you also help with rivers and other sources of that might need cleaning water?
We are dealing with almost all kinds of water sources. That means any underground water, any river water, or seawater. I tried to give examples from different sections. For instance, in Nakhchivan, it was underground water. In Basra, it is the Shatul Arab River. It's a river water, which is very salty, in fact. Anyway, also rainwater is collected and recycled. Therefore, the source of the water is not an issue unless we agree on the parameters that is required.
Okay. I was saying this because like 60% of the country is asal. So in most of those areas, they drill water, but the water comes out as salty. And
yes, this is an issue for particularly for agriculture. The water shouldn't be salty, so otherwise the crop is wasted. There is solutions for that. Either desalination of the seawater, but also different techniques of treatment for rivers or lakes or any underground water. We should see that particular source. We have to study this particular source for its feasibility. Once we consider that this is a technically feasible project, the source of the water is not that important.
Thank you. That is nice.
Yeah, Farhana, go ahead, please. I want to get also your observation about Turnkey B2B online matchmaking. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the presentation, and it is very interesting that we will be connecting with you in the future. I just want to say you've answered many of the questions to Arman for for the need that is required in the rural areas, especially. I think some of our brothers from Africa also spoke on that, and I'll definitely be connecting on those. You've answered most of the questions. The question on technical aspects and assessment of the areas, and then providing the backup services with parts and things. I'm very happy with the information that you've provided. If there's anything else, we will discuss on a direct consultation basis. Thank you very much.
We will be glad to help your answering your questions anyway.
Yeah, dear business developers, keep in mind water treatment is needed for every factory, every food and beverage factory not only it is a municipality project or a big government project, water desalination, drinking water solution. Also, you may consider medium-sized and small projects. Their projects are starting from $100,000 and up. So it is if you earn 5% commission, it is a very attractive, exciting money. So, any other questions? I think there is no further question. Charles, do you have any comments, questions? How was your first session? Hope you enjoyed the networking.
Yeah, I enjoyed it, and to be precisely, here I'm learning also a lot about the B2B connection and so on and so forth. And I say it's a very powerful platform, and I pray we take it seriously. Well, on the project that was purported here, well, it's very good, and if we take into consideration and look deeply into it, it's really going to help most of our societies, most especially in Africa. We need so as to increase or to purport increase the standard of living in Africa. Yeah.
For sure, yeah. I would like to give last floor to Musa Kolibali. Musa, are you here from Mali? Miss Tuba Ishik has anything to say, or she's for training, Mr. Arman?
Miss Tuba and training would be a very funny. Miss Tuba is training me.
Seriously?
Miss Tuba is one of the pillars of the company.
Okay, maybe Miss Tuba
So,
can say something about Aquamatch. Also, we can have closing remarks from Musa. Musa, how was your observation? It was your first time. You're already working with Turkish business people. You can also make some comments. How was your experience with Turkish contractors, suppliers so far?
Yeah, thank you, sir. I'm happy to be here, and I see that it is a good deal, a good opportunity to assist to this kind of a B2B connection. Yes, I am working with Turkish businessman a long time. Sometime I bring Mali businessmen to Turkey to participate to the fair, like IDMA fair, like WCE forum, like a Halal fair, and also for directly business connection, B2B. I bring some businessmen for relative project. So it is nice. Turkey is a good place. They have a good product, and in Mali, the thing is we have the same culture. That is very important for us, and I think the B2B connection can develop more this business connection between our country. I have to inform you that BAMEX will be in Mali, the defense fair, BAMEX.
Yeah, you can share details with me. I will post it on our network.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody interested.
Yeah.
Yes. May I say a few words to Mr. Musa? And in maybe in a more common language with him, in French.
French, yes.
Yeah, I speak
Musa,
French.
entre-temps, je peux dire qu'on peut aussi communiquer en français avec moi. Donc, si
super.
c'est encore mieux pour vous, donc je suis aussi francophone qu'anglophone, donc et je sers depuis plusieurs pays francophones africains.
Super.
Donc,
Charlie, you know also French, Charlie?
Yes, I can. I'm
yeah.
bilingual too.
Now you,
I can
now
try,
you,
even though I'm from the English side, well, I'm
now
bilingual.
you change the channel. Arman,
Okay.
I will share with you Mr. Kolibali and Charles' contact details. You can make one-on-one with them.
Gladly, yes.
Second, you cannot find very much too much contractors from Turkey who speak French. So also Mr. Reza has French-speaking staff. So this is a big advantage to get more business from West Africa. So I would like to end the session if Ms. Tuğba Işık doesn't have anything to say. Mr. Arman?
Actually, I don't have any additional words, but I want to thank all of you for listening our presentation. And if any of you has any questions or projects related to our job, we are always glad to answer and work on the proposals and start a good relationship, we hope.
All right. So, Mr. Arman, please share contact details and with your company catalog on Turnkey. I will share it with a guest today. Hopefully, you will get some business finally. They received a project from Turnkey. Actually, it went to Aquamatch factory. It was a villa.
Yes, we didn't see. Unfortunately, we didn't
Villa wastewater project as big as some $100,000. Hopefully, they will get new ones through Turnkey from other countries. Thank you very much for being with us today. I thank our newcomers. Hopefully, they will be persistent, and we need somebody from Cameroon. Charles, you're welcome. We need Mali. Musa, welcome. We need South Africa. Miss Farana, welcome. I invite you on a purpose. It is not a coincidence because we have empty seat for these countries. So by 2030, we want to cover all countries, and we want to create a global network with the support of supercomputer and AI. It is going to be also 3D dimension, maybe using blockchain and stable coins. This is our 2030 vision. Have a great evening and see you next time. Bye.